Hey, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope you're doing well. So today we are checking out Bruce Hornsby and The Range, and the song is called Mandolin Rain. Mandolin Rain. Thank you so much to T.R. I'm going to try to pronounce your name. You know me, I'm so bad at pronouncing names, but I'm going to try my best. Lazarshak. Lazarshak. See, I can't even say it. I can't say it. Lazarshak. And I hope that's right. Thank you so much for sending me a cup of coffee. I really do appreciate it. So thank you so much. And yeah, so he requested this song and we are going to be checking this out. It is my first time hearing Bruce Hornsby and The Range. It doesn't sound familiar to me. So yeah, first time reaction. Let's get into it. Alrighty. Is this a love song? Oh, I like the melody.
The song came and went like the times that we spent hiding out from the rain under the carnival tent. I laughed and she'd smile. It would last for a while. You don't know what you got till you lose it all again.
Oh, I like this.
Listen to the music on the radio. I'll listen to my heart break every time she runs away.
Oh, I love this.
Listen to the banjo wind, a sad song drifting low. Listen to the tears roll down my face as she turns to gold. A cool evening dance. Listen to the bluegrass band takes the chill from the air until they play the last song. I'll do my time, keeping you off my mind.
Oh
but
my
there's
gosh.
moments that I find I'm not feeling so strong. Listen to the mandolin rain, listen to the music on the radio. I'll listen to my heart break every time she runs away. Oh, listen to the banjo wind, a sad song drifting low. Listen to the tears roll down my face as she turns to gold. Running down by the lake shore, she did love the sound of a summer storm. It played on the lake like a mandolin. Now it's washing her away once again.
I love this song.
Boat steaming in, watch the side wheel spin, and I think about her when I hear that whistle blow. I can't change my mind. I knew all the time that she'd go, but that's a choice I made long ago. Listen to the mandolin rain, listen to the music on the radio. I'll listen to my heart break every time she runs away. Oh, listen to the banjo wind, a sad song drifting low. Listen to the tears roll down my face as she turns to go, as she turns to go. Listen to the tears roll down my face as she turns to go.
Oh my gosh, I'm still swaying. That was just, oh, sugar. That was just such a beautiful song. I don't know where to begin. I feel so moved. I feel just, you know, when you see this cartoon and then it has like butterflies around her, or around her head or something. That's how I feel right now. Butterflies flying around me. That's how I feel. Now this is a song that I will replay 100%. I will replay this and download it on my phone. Well, download it on my phone first and then replay it. This is my type of song. This is my type of tune. And it was just such a lovely song. I love how strong his voice is. And this bit here in particular, oh my gosh. This bit was just, oh, for me, that was just...
Cool evening dance. Listen to the bluegrass band takes the chill.
Is it here?
Until they play the last song. I'll do my time, oh, keeping you off my mind. But there's moments that I find.
Oh wait, let's replay that bit back again, please.
Until they play the last song. I'll do my time, oh, keeping you off my mind. But there's...
Did you hear that? His vocals are just phenomenal. This is just one beautiful, 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 soul touching song. It touched my soul. And I'm not even lying. I'm replaying this so many times. There's something about this that is just so peaceful, but then at the same time so sad. Because when you deep the lyrics, it's actually really sad. At some points I found myself just sitting there and just taking it all in. Like at some points I just wanted to close my eyes and just be in that zone. Just listen to his voice. That's what I wanted to do. Like, I was just so in the zone of his voice. I mean, his voice just in general. Oh, can we just replay that bit back again, please? I'm gonna give you a headache now. Oh my, but this bit, I just can't get over this bit.
From the air until they play the last song. I'll do my time, oh, keeping you off my mind. But there's moments that I find I'm not feeling so strong. Listen to the mandolin ring, listen to the music on the radio. I'll listen to my heart break every time she runs away. Oh, listen to the banjo wind, sad song drifting low. Listen to the tears roll down my face as she turns to go. Running down the...
Okay, I need to stop this now. I also just love the piano, the mandolin. It was so beautiful. I don't know, it felt like a movie, didn't it? Like some kind of movie, like a love movie. Oh, I just loved it. I don't know what to say, guys. Like, I'm just so speechless. I'm still in the zone of the song. Like, I just want to stop this video and just replay this again, like 10 times, 100 times. And I'm not even kidding. I'm gonna do that. Thank you so much again, TR, for requesting this video. I absolutely love this song. It literally tugs at your heartstrings. Is that how you say it? I think so. Oh, it was just deep emotion. A very emotional song, and I loved it. So thank you. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed my reaction. This was a lovely song, and yeah, I really enjoyed reacting to this. And if you have any more songs from them, because it's my first time even seeing who Bruce Hornsby is and the range, I would love to react to more music videos of theirs and songs of theirs. That would be awesome. But yeah, this does come to an end to my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.